Welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood, and in this video I will tell you how you can create Shopify Metafields. So after watching this video you will be able to add the Metafields within products, within variants, within collections, or maybe in blog, anywhere you want. When we go to the product section and here we open any product, and here we will scroll down, and here we will be able to add the custom meta fields, and for variants we can go to the product variant, and here we will see the meta fields. So here you can see actually I have added a few, so we will see how we can do that in this video. So first of all you will have to go to settings, and here you will have to go to custom data, and here you can see products, variants, collections, customers, and different post types. So you can add any custom meta field to any specific part of your Shopify store. So for example, if you want to add a meta field for products, then you can go to products. By the way, if you will add the meta field in a product, then you will only be able to assign the value to that meta field for an specific product. Like if a product has multiple variants, then you will only be able to assign a single value that will be assigned to the whole product. So that's what you need to think of, that actually whether you need a product meta field or maybe a variant meta field. So for one variant it can be a different value, and for the other variant it can be a different value. So that's what you need to think of, what you want to do exactly. So let's see how we can create the meta field. So for product we can just click on product, and here we will have to click on add definition, and here we will have to write the name for that meta field. So for example, we just want to say like specifications, or maybe anything that you want to add. So let me just add, and here is the namespace and key, and it's a unique value for that meta field. So here is the meta field description. It's not necessary, it's optional, and here you can select the type of the meta field. So if you want a decimal meta field, an integer meta field, maybe a date time picker, maybe a URL, maybe a multi-line edit, or whatever you want for that specific meta field. So let me just select maybe a file, and here you can see we can change this now again if we want, and here we can see one file, list of files. So whether you want to upload a single file for the product or maybe a list of files, so you can select whatever you want, and here you can choose the type that you want, images or videos both enabled or just one. So you can uncheck them, and here you can see you have an option to accept all type of file types, like you can also upload the audio and things. So let me just click on save, and here the meta fields is created. We can now go to products, and let's open this product, and we can scroll down, and here you can see the specification is not now showing, and we can select the files and we can upload the file to this product, and those files will be for all of the variants. So if you want to add a meta field for a single variant, then you can select the variant option while creating the meta field. So that's how you can create meta fields in Shopify. So that's it for the video. So if you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like this and comment on this video, so my video will be reached to more viewers, and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.